Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to just show you my custom Golden Nugget Saloon with light and sound effects. I'm going to be adding more pieces to this village as I go along. Right now this is the first one that has lights besides the trains. And basically I programmed an Arduino Nano inside of one of the floors for this building, and it's controlling 27 neopixels for the top and bottom floors so that it illuminates the interior. And then there's also some mini 3mm warm white LEDs shining up on the sign so that you can see it in the dark. I also put some really super tiny fairy lights behind the lanterns. These are sometimes marketed as like waterproof Christmas lights, or like they're under a bunch of different names, but they're these like super tiny thin wire light bulbs. So I just wired those for the lanterns, but then you can see that. And then inside you can see the little bar counter, and I don't know, it's kind of hard to see because my village is so tightly cramped in together. But I'll go ahead and demonstrate the effect that happens when you shoot the target. So I have a little laser pointer here, and if I shoot the target with the laser pointer, you can see the light effects change a bit. So this is sort of like a bar fight or something. And then it goes back to having ambient sort of chatter. I'm happy to make all the files accessible to you for this project. So I wrote the program myself for the Arduino, and I also made the audio files. So if anybody's interested in making a similar project, I'm happy to provide those. And my setup here is pretty simple. I just have a little red LED with a photocell resistor so that if there's a bright light, it'll trigger the Arduino. So you could also technically trigger it with a really bright flashlight. I might eventually try and do something with infrared, but overall the laser pointer works pretty well. I'm going to be making a custom laser pointer gun with sound effects so that then you can have it be more like a shooting arcade. Also, if you shoot the target, the LED will turn off to notify that the target has been hit. So you can see now the little red LED is off. And this is a fairly simple Arduino program that has just multiple effects on the strands, and I wired them as individual light strands, so you can actually address each floor individually for light effects. So I think this pretty much concludes my video. If you have any questions or comments about this, just let me know, and I'm happy to answer. Thanks for watching.